Alright guys, so I'm back with the second installment of the Revlon PR package that I received like a couple of days ago, and this time I'm going to be doing the review or product swatches for the Super Lustrous Lip Gloss. So there were, I believe, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 of them that I'm going to swatch for you guys today. Also, be sure to head over to the blog, www.tiffanydbrown.com, to check out more swatches, photos, links, and all that great stuff if you are interested in any of these lip glosses. Also, before we get into the video, do me a huge favor and go ahead and hit that subscribe button before we get started. And let's just hope my lips aren't raw at the end of this video, okay? Let's get into it. Okay, so as I mentioned, I received this package from Revlon. Thank you, Revlon, for sending me this PR package. It had their their new matte lipsticks in there, as well as their super lustrous lip glosses. Here is the form that it came in. It's so many pretty colors, you guys. Like, really, if you're a fan of lip glosses, you definitely want to check these out. I'm gonna just say that from the top. So I'm going to swatch each one of these for you guys. I didn't really think about it until I was halfway, well, kind of not really halfway through these glosses, but halfway through the glosses, to where I realized that I should have just like held up the gloss so you can kind of see it in comparison to like skin tones and all that great stuff. So halfway through, you'll notice that I'm kind of holding up some of these for you guys to see. This is actually the lip gloss that I have on right now, because it just happened to be the last one that I swatched. So, okay, so if you want to see what these look like, keep watching. I definitely wanted to give you guys my take on these lip glosses. Like I said, these lip glosses by Revlon are their super lustrous lip glosses, and there were 12 of them in this collection that they sent. And I would have to say there was a couple that actually surprised me. The first one being the Sky Pink, which is like a really like milky looking pink color. I was like, ooh, I don't know if that's gonna look good on me, but y'all, this goes really well with basically any color. And I found that because a lot of them are very sheer in nature, that you could pair these with all kinds of lipsticks. So I think it would be a great I think they would go great with many other lipsticks. Of course, I don't know if you want to use it on a matte lipstick because it may defeat the purpose, but if you're into that, go ahead. I am not a huge lip gloss fan, but I do feel that with these, I would probably be more inclined to use lip glosses for the simple fact that the tint and the color that are in these, I really did like them. I like the flow or the consistency of most of them. The only thing that I'm not crazy about, and this is a personal thing just for me, is the glitter, like the little shimmer glitteries that are in there. Some people love that. Like when I was in high school, I love glitter, like to the T. But for me, I just didn't feel like, I felt that it could get messy, like the little sparkles being all over your mouth and stuff, you know, like as far as like moving around. And there's only, looking at this, only I think four that have like that real, y'all, I can't talk. Like, I'm seriously getting over my sickness and I can't even get my thoughts together. But like, for example, this super violet one, it has like a lot of little glittery glitz in there. You can't probably tell, but there's just a lot of really fine specks of glitter. And I noticed as I was removing the lip glosses with a makeup wipe, it was still kind of some remnants of that shimmer there. So I'm just not I'm not a fan of it, but I could deal with it. It's not that, oh, it's a deal breaker for me. But overall, I really loved basically all of these, all except for some of the glitter ones. And I'm going to pick out a few of my ultimate faves, which is basically probably all of these. I don't even know why I'm wasting my time doing this. But that I really liked were these right here. Oh, let me do a better job of holding these. Supernatural, Rosy Future, the Soft Pink. This one is the Coral, the Solar Coral. And then the last one is the Fatal Apple. These happen to be my favorite so far, just out of a quick swatch. Another good one too that I found that was very pretty was this one here, and this one is the Pink Kismo. So it has the same like sheer, it has like this I can't even, sheen looking color to it. It's not glitter specks, but it's basically broken down a little bit finer than that, and I really like that. So I hope I didn't blab too much. I can't even get my thoughts together because my lips are sore. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this very quick product swatch / review. Don't forget to share with a friend if you think that this video may be helpful for them. As always, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and we will see each other in the next video. Bye.